Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma with All Things Handmade. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to create, how to price, how much to invest, how to buy it at wholesale, and how to sell it. Let me get ready and let's get to work. In this video, I'm going to show you how to personalize a keychain. And for that video, you're going to be needing the names that you want to add. You're going to be needing your, of course, your resin, bottle A and bottle B. You're going to need something to mix into mix the both of the formulas. You're going to need some scissors, and you're going to need transfer paper and whatever other things that you may want to add to it. All these stuff that you see here is stuff that I got with 2 kits that I purchased, and I'm going to put in the description box all the items that I use for this video. This is a set that I bought. Today I'm going to be doing this here, and like I said, personalized. This is Norma was born in December, Meche was born in August, and the Zarates, it's the person who I'm gonna give this to, is born in September. And I just want to see how this one comes out, because I just received these yesterday. So, and you're gonna need whatever silicone that you want to try or use. So what I'm gonna do to start, we're gonna just go ahead. I don't want to forget, so I'm just gonna put them like right next to where I want to put the names, just like that. And right around the middle of the video, I'm going to stop and I'm going to do the breakdown so that you know how much you're investing, how much you can sell them for, and then look around the market. I usually come out with the price, and then I compare that with Etsy or whatever website that may have the same stuff that I do. Everything I do is personalized, so that makes it a little different to price. Usually personalized items price a little different. So here's my measuring. I'm gonna start, because like I said, I just cut this last night. I'm gonna make like 1 ounce, which is gonna take half and half of the A and B. So let's go ahead and do that. If you have done this kind of work before, you know that you mix it very well for 3 minutes, and then you let it rest so that all the bubbles disappear. So that's about half an ounce right there, and half an ounce of the other one. Nowadays, people really enjoy and appreciate personalized items. I think it is because we have so much of everything. I mean, most of us have so much of everything that something personalized, it really touches our heart. I feel that way. Oh, so here we have 1 ounce. We're gonna go ahead and mix it for 3 minutes. Okay, so in the time that I waited to wait for the bubbles to disappear, I went go ahead and put the glitter in those 3. The only thing I did is I went and I put this glitter around. Okay, just like that. And now we're going to go ahead and pour. So this is 1 ounce, and I'm going to go ahead and start with pouring on the heart. And I know I'm going to need to mix more, but it's okay. So we're going to go ahead and fill our designs, like maybe like 2/3 of it. You can aid yourself with the little stick. See, just like that. So this one took almost 1 ounce. And let's go ahead and do this here. Again, about 2/3 up. Here we go. Make sure that you get it all inside those little areas. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this, the butterfly, because so go ahead and add your resin and let it dry. Also, the drying part depends on where you live. Is it humid? Is it cold? Is it hot? So it has to do a lot with the weather at the day that you decide to do this, okay? I may set certain time and then it just doesn't, it's not the same thing for you. Okay, it's been 6 hours, and if I was to take this out of here, it would come out, but it's still too soft. But you can tell right there that it's already almost ready. Okay, now what we're gonna do, it's very softly. I know it's hard, but it's not super hard. It is hard enough so we can put the names. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and grab our name. So I'm gonna put this one right here. So we're going to go ahead and put it right in the middle, just like that. That's the name. And we're going to go ahead and leave it we're going to go ahead and leave it with the plastic. Okay, so we're going to do all of them. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and measure again. So we're going to do a little less than one. I mean, you may want to do the one if you want, or try to do 3/4, half of that of each. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and do 1/2 ounce of each one, which is going to make it to 1 ounce. Just so that I'm not, struggling too much with the measuring. And remember, all the things that I'm using right now, they're going to be in the description box. So we're going to mix it for 3 full minutes, not too hard so that it doesn't create a lot of bubbles. Just go slowly. So let's go ahead and mix it for 3 minutes, and I'll see you back in a minute. Okay, we mix it for 3 minutes and I let it rest for another 5 minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour and bring it out to the top. So at this point right now it's 6 o'clock in the afternoon here. I'm going to leave them overnight to let them completely cure. So I'm just going to show you this one, and then we're going to go ahead and stop the recording and see you back tomorrow to see the final result. Let me know, you guys, on the description, on the comments. Let me know if you guys are gonna make them to sell, or if you guys are gonna make them just to gift. And let me know if you have a business, page on Facebook, so I can go like your page, and we can just help each other. Okay, so here's the other one. Let me just pick it up slowly and let me bring it to you. Here it is. So I'm gonna set it aside, and I'm gonna finish this one. This one I didn't have to put any more. It's completely done. So I'm gonna let it cure overnight. And because I know I'm gonna have some extra resin, I'm gonna go ahead and do this one here, just to give to anybody. It's not personalized or anything, so it can be a gift for someone. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Leave your items overnight, and I will see you tomorrow morning to finish it up. We are back, and it's been, we are back. I left this overnight. The last thing that I did with them, it was yesterday at 6 p.m. So right now it's 8 o'clock. So it's been a good 14 hours. And remember that even though it says on the box, on the resin on the bottle, that they are ready between 4 hours and 10, you have to let them cure more than that. But right now I can already get them out of the mold. So that's what I'm doing right now. And still leave them in a safe place to let them cure some more. So this is the butterfly. It didn't have anything personalized. This is very pretty. Look at this. See, I'm touching it, and it's still a little soft. It's still, let me show you here. It still bends. See right there? Still bends. Because although it's not wet anymore, it's still not completely cured. So this is the butterfly. Now let's go ahead and do the heart. See how pretty they are. Super personalized. I really like to do that. So the heart is gonna be where you're gonna hold the keychain, if that's what you want to do, a keychain. So here's the name. And then here's the other one for a cat lover right there. Okay. And this one, again, the heart is where you do hang on to the keychain right there. Okay. And the last one. This is for someone who was born in August. And here. So that's all for me, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.